Crazy 2020. I decided to sketch daily. Here are 3 journals that I have filled up. This first one I had Office Depot put together for me. It's just printer paper. I had them spiral bind it. I had some earlier sketches in here, and I do a lot of faces, flowers, little still lifes. I like to keep my sketching really simple, usually just one item per page. I love containers. Anyway, right here is where I started daily. It was, I think, July 22nd. Some days it was literally a 2-minute sketch. Some days it was a whole lot more. These are tomatoes in a box. Art supplies are always one of my favorite subjects. Doing a bill, that takes a bit of time. I got into a book series here, practicing perspective on books. Art supplies, art supplies. Back to books. I was teaching a class called Book Club, where we did several paintings of books. Here's a little bouquet from my garden of roses, and I did it 3 times a day and kind of just watched their little wilting and fading away, and finally done. Oh, this whole sketchbook is ink and colored pencil, something I never worked with before, colored pencil, so you can see a lot of swatching I did. Oh, this was a fun little series, sushi cups, just a whole bunch of them. Stacked them all up, did some shading. An avocado. I made some jam. Oh, I have a thing for Kleenex boxes. You'll see a few of them in here. And containers. Some days I just do whatever's on the table. Kindle. Oh, I love doing before and behind with single subjects. So some days I spent like 2 minutes, and some days that one took a while. That took a few hours. The potato chips. Cups. I love doing cups. Or little still lives. I even drew a bill one day because I had no idea what to draw. I generally wake up in the morning and make a cup of coffee, do the cats, and then I come and sit down. So a lot of my subjects are on the table or near me, so a lot of cups. Clothespins are tricky. And then I fly up to Portland, drive to Seattle, and I'm up there for a month. So a lot of these little things will just be inspirations while I'm up there. My daughter's tools. Kind of fun going on a trip or going somewhere new because other people own other objects that you don't. More to draw. Another Kleenex. Another Kleenex. And see, I really keep with the simplicity of a single subject. I'm in awe of people who do big urban landscapes. I don't know how they do it. I think my brain likes to keep things in the simplistic style. More swatching. I bought an inexpensive set of colored pencils. Swatch those. Ace bandages. My daughter's finally healing up from her sprained ankles. I built her a little squirrel feeder, so I've got squirrels there. Another Kleenex. Oh, and pears. I've done lots of pears in my life. I just love them. Gorilla tape. That was fun. A bad banana. Oh, I think I'm back home now. Back in California, and these are just things from my cupboard. Squatty little Progresso soup, but anyway, that was fun to draw. So that was all colored pencils and ink. And a few pages into this one, this is one that I made, stitched it and glued it. So just a few pages into this. I was getting bored as all heck, just taking stuff from the kitchen. So this is where I kind of lost my mojo, sketching daily, and I needed to do something to re-inspire me. Another Kleenex. And there it was. That's the last one, Pete's. Then I start a new series of 100 crows. So stay tuned for that one.